for projects were disallowed or were cut down by DBM at the time until itong latter part of the 2024. That's when an insertion to support us was made. So we were preparing to adjust
Okay.
our projection.
Ano pong significant infrastructure are you going to
The
prioritize?
the monitoring infrastructure, which is absent because what we only have is a equivalent to a call center where we can interact with the public. We need to have a high-end technical monitoring system, similar to an SOC. And,
What is SOC?
security. Yeah, the Security Operations Center where we
Meron na
can
po
do
kayong-
threat hunting.
Meron na po kayong malaking opisina for that
We acquired the office already.
So meron opisina na.
We're in the middle of preparation for the bidding of the equipment
That will monitor
that will monitor all of this.
and interaction with the public.
Yes.
Something like that.
Yes.
And also equipping the negation equipment.
As a to minimize or to address the current situation is that we acquired a deepfake monitoring tool that we can distribute to the public.
Okay, that's good. Okay, so in the next hearing, let's invite the chairman na yung mga responsible kasi marami tayong mga responsible vloggers no. So we have given the chance do sa mga vloggers that we have invited but they missed the opportunity to be a part of the discussion, but in the next hearing will be we will give them another chance. But the problem is, we issue a SOCOS order to those who have written us an excuse letter, which are unacceptable. Because nakita natin yung mga reasons nila. Pero yung nasa abroad, na nasa Singapore, acceptable yun. Because may reason. Pero others, ay hindi po. So siguro, we need to have a
Mr.
motion.
Chair, we have invited 41 social media personalities today. However, out of 41, only 3 appeared, and 1 is in Singapore. And the other 37 media personalities, social media personalities, instead went to the Supreme Court. So in this view, I believe that their testimony here is very important because they're the one involved in this fake news. So, Mr. Chair, on this note, I move that this committee issue SOCOS order to the 37 social media personalities to appear in the next hearing.
So there's a motion to issue a SOCOS order to those resource persons who have not given any excuse letter, no? And there was a second motion. Any objection to the said motion? Hearing no objection, the said motion is now approved. Let's invite also, kasi meron po mga sumulat sa atin, yung mga victims, mga biktima ng mga fake news, no? Those purveyor of misinformation, malinformation, and disinformation. We will be sending them invitation as well. May mga celebrities and businessmen who wanted to be invited as well. So on that note, siguro wala na po tayong iba pa tackle, other matters.
I move to suspend the hearing.
So there's a motion to suspend this hearing. Second motion. Hearing no objection. This hearing is now suspended. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.